Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new and you don't know me, my name is Ali. If you don't know me, welcome back. So for today's video, we're gonna be doing a day in my life as a college student because I start my classes back today for the spring semester. And I have two classes now, one at 12:30. It's currently 11:57. So we're about to head on over to the campus so I can find parking because sometimes parking be a little crazy.
Ticket. Please drive inside.
Okay, so I am finally back on campus and my class start at 12:30, so around 12:15 I'm gonna head back onto the campus. But until then, I need to put back on my shoe. So that's what I'm gonna do. If you're a sneakerhead, you know that you gotta take your shoe off when you drive because you don't want to kiss your shoes up. Anyways, in the meantime, to kill time, I have this car mount that I want to put up. I was about to say tripod, but no, it's not a tripod, but it's a car mount that I want to put up. So I'm gonna position my camera somewhere else. I'm position my phone somewhere else. In the meantime, take your time. This is it. Hopefully it works. Do I need scissors? No, I do not. Yeah, I'm not really excited about starting back my classes, if we're being honest. Smooth, clean surface. I don't know if this is clean, but it's just gonna have to be because I don't have anything to clean it off with. So hopefully this works and it sticks. I will try that. This is what the piece is looking like. I'm a little confused. What is this for me? Okay, anyways, after my classes, we're gonna go to Target because I need a curtain rod for my curtains because the one that I have bought on Amazon is too big. I need a smaller one. I'm gonna put the thing up and then, yeah. I hope ain't nobody waiting for my parking spot because I'm not getting out of this car until it's time for me to go inside my classes. And even then, I still ain't leaving. I'm still not leaving. So, where's the sticker at? Oh, it's no sticker. Okay. It's no sticker. Okay. Yeah, I'm a little slow. I ain't never done this before, so. It stayed. Okay. Okay. I like that. That's cute. I like it. Okay. Hold on. So I'm gonna put my phone in it and we're gonna see, cause I got it up. So yeah, we're gonna see when I got the phone on the tripod. So I don't know if I like it. I guess if I start driving or whatever, I'll be able to tell if I like it. But right now, it seems like it's okay. Okay, so right now I'm walking to my classes. That my side hurts. I don't like that. Y'all see my sweatshirt? It say leave me alone. Y'all, he let us out early. Why we gotta walk outside? And I ran out of storage. Yes, exactly. Two. So, I'm about to go find it. Okay, so I found it. And my first class is in a whole different building by itself. On top of that, the class was packed and I ran out of storage when I was trying to record, so I had to delete a whole lot of stuff while I was in that class. But I'm about to go in and wait. I wanna be class. I'm bored. Let's do a fit check. This is the outfit. I got this sweatshirt on. It say, "Leave me alone." I got some jeans and then I got some sixes on. But yeah, that's the fit. I got my sprayer and book bag. I got my hair to the side today. So my classes are finally over. So now I'm about to go to Target and see if I can find a curtain rod because I need one real bad. I need one real bad. Let's see if I can go to Target without my GPS. Let's see how that goes. I feel like it's a straight shot though. So I should have this. I feel like I got this.
Go to slide, cause I told him that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I could let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan. And I'm out here with the 700 3i5s. Look alive, look alive.
So we are finally at Target. And for one thing, now it's curtain rods. So we should not be coming out the store with anything else. I think, right? Do I need anything else? I need curtain rods. I don't think so. So curtain rods is the only thing that we are coming in here for. Now come out, we are going to fix my car mount because it needs to be fixed. Cause it keep moving. It keep moving when I drive, so we're gonna fix it.
I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and
Okay, so before I go anywhere, I'm gonna fix my car thingy.
all day long.
Okay, so I fixed the car mount thingy, and now we're about to go back to my apartment and put up the curtain. I'm trying to get the instructions because I don't know, they ain't really making sense to me. Oh, okay, it extends. Okay, perfect. Perfect. This is what it was. How do I get it to stay though? How long do I need this? I don't need it that long. I'm trying to see how long I need it. I need it like this long. Yeah. So I'm gonna put up this. I'm gonna put up these clips that I have. Dang, like focus. This is what the clips look like. They're clear. I should have probably gotten black, but the black ones is gonna take The black ones weren't gonna come until today, which is funny because I'm not even putting up the curtains until now. So ain't that something? I hope it's thick. My mama, she didn't want me to screw anything in, so she told me to get the clips. I think she don't trust me. She probably thought I was gonna mess up, so.
Then dip me underway. You can fill my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for air breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby.
So this is what the blackout curtains gonna look like. This is what we got to make work, cause I don't know, but okay. So my other phone ran out of storage, so now I'm about to finish editing this other video, and I'm still trying to debate on if I want to go to the gym or not. But I guess after I edit, that would really determine on whether or not I go to the gym or not.
Right up to the side of my mountain, down until you reach my peak, baby, peak, baby, peak. Reach right into the eye of my mountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, deep, baby,
Okay, so I'm almost done editing. I had ended up taking a little shower break, but I'm almost done. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this video off. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me more suggestions on videos to do. In case you got any suggestions that you want to give me them. I'll take them.